how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on calls. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down, you keep going down here. So then you come here to show calls from other apps, clicking this sign. So like you see, this color show for us, that's mean here show calls from other apps, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you agree. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.